All right, here we go, guys. We got an issue here. We're getting a lot of sawdust here. That's an indicator that something's not quite right with the vacuum here. So I need you to shut that off. That's closed. Power's closed. Check it out. No power. So now we can get in here. Come around here. Hit this button. Opens up the door. And see we've got... All right, so she needs a little repair there, right? What you do is you turn the blower on and you get in there and you fluff that there sawdust in the top, see if you can get her going again. And then we have to do some kind of repair on that hose. So, all right, so gentlemen, make sure you put your eyewear on when you're doing this. Make sure you have a dust mask on. And one more time, we're gonna get all this dust out of here and we're gonna make a repair to that connection there to get us back in line.
Your hand?
All right, fellas, go head on in there. You see that hose? We want to clear that out first. So try to pull some of that material out. Yep. Just keep pulling that out. Eventually the vacuum should grab it.
Yep.
Did it take off?
Yeah.
Now you pull everything out. Now, some people, they want to ask me, why can't I just use a vacuum? The vacuum's for the small stuff, right? We're gonna scoop everything out of there. We're gonna sweep it up, and then you want the vacuum afterwards, okay? There we go, Malcolm. Now, if we want, we can bring a vacuum over there after. Go, Malcolm. Now rub that glue with your thumb. You heat the glue up, friction, get it heated up, you'll get a better grip on that. There you go, there you go. Now wrap a couple around that, we might be good to go. Oh, they think it's all fun and games, cut wood. Well, you gotta clean up, you gotta maintain your equipment. All right, fellas, looks like Malcolm's got this set. Get this all cleaned up, and we'll see how it goes. Nice job, fella. Someone's got to do the dirty work. All right, there's a first time for everything, Malcolm. Now you've got to close that door properly so that the safety will come on. So, can you turn the power back on? There we go. On. Heads up, Malcolm. Turning this on. See if we have power. Now, if the door is not closed properly, we're not going to get a solid green light. So let's see what happens. This has a safety built in to make sure that the door is shut properly. And what I've learned with this door is you have to hold it a little bit on the right side and push up hard and then bring that lock down at the same time. Get a good click. Nice. Let's see if we're good. It's supposed to be a solid green. Push the door a little and see if, oh, no, it was solid. That's it. So you've done it. You've got that right. Everything's good. We're back on. Remember, anything wider than 3 inches, boys, we're using the guard, and anything narrower we're using the push stick, and we have the saw stop safety. That's what this is all about. Good. All right, here we go. Nice. Nothing coming out of there now, fellas. Good job. Nice job, gentlemen.